Ever pondered the intricate series of events that need to unfold perfectly for a plane to take off safely? It's a symphony of precision, where each player has a crucial role. Ground crews, pilots, air traffic controllers, and even the aircraft itself, all work in harmony to ensure each takeoff is a success. But what happens if there's a hiccup in this perfectly timed performance? The stakes are undoubtedly high, and preventing takeoff failures is paramount. To mitigate these risks, here are a few essential tips. First, conduct thorough pre-flight checks. Pilots and ground crews meticulously inspect the aircraft, ensuring everything is in working order. They check the engines, controls, fuel levels, and much more. This attention to detail is the first line of defense against potential takeoff failures. Second, maintain open and clear communication. Air traffic controllers and pilots must stay in constant contact, sharing vital information about flight paths, weather conditions, and other potential hazards. Miscommunication can lead to disastrous consequences. Third, adhere to strict maintenance schedules. Regular preventative maintenance is crucial for keeping an aircraft in top-notch condition. Every part of the plane, from the engines to the landing gear, undergoes rigorous checks and servicing. Next, train for emergencies. Despite the best precautions, emergencies can still arise. Pilots undergo extensive training to handle these situations, learning how to make quick decisions under intense pressure. They practice simulated takeoff failures, mastering the procedures needed to keep passengers and crew safe. Lastly, always respect weather conditions. Weather plays a significant role in aviation safety. Pilots and air traffic controllers must evaluate current and forecasted conditions, adjusting their plans as necessary. No flight is worth risking lives over unfavorable weather conditions. To summarize, ensuring a safe takeoff involves a complex ballet of checks and balances. It starts with a thorough pre-flight check, followed by clear and open communication between all parties involved. Regular maintenance keeps the aircraft in optimal condition, while emergency training prepares the crew for any unexpected events. Lastly, always respecting the weather is crucial for a safe flight. There's no denying that each takeoff is a testament to the incredible precision and dedication of countless individuals. By following these tips, the aviation industry continues to uphold its commitment to safety, ensuring that every journey in the sky begins on a high note.